There are some truly beautiful beaches to see in this vast world of ours.
But what is even better, a beautiful beach with plankton to illuminate the water. Check that out. A photographer in Wales took this video last month. This is off the coast of Anglesey Island, and you can see like when they throw rocks into the water or a dog jumps up and down in it, the plankton actually lights up.
And that electric glow is caused by a specific type of plankton that works as a defense mechanism. Truly unbelievable, and we need to get some of those plankton around here.
Oh, heck yeah. We need a little pond out, by the parking lot. Oh, very nice, very nice.